The Christian groups have organized dawah, sending out missionaries to different parts of the world. Many parts are Muslim world, and then they're converting people left and right. What do Muslims have? Do we have an equivalent World Council of Mosques where we send out missionaries? We don't have. Mostly it is a few institutions sending out, and mostly it is, after that, individuals who have some knowledge spreading the word. Is that the way it should be? No, it shouldn't be like that. Actually, we should be the most active in spreading the message. We should have the biggest organizations in spreading the word. We have the truth. They have falsehood, and they are working night and day, learning the languages of tribes and clans in different parts of the world just to go live amongst them, to carry what they consider to be the word of God to these people. Dedication. For us, it's like, mashallah, malish. You know, if it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. We have Jamaat Tabligh, the biggest da'wah organization in the world. Jamaat Tabligh, with the largest number of followers. When they have their yearly ijtima' in Bangladesh, 4 million followers gather. And at the end of the ijtima', they make a group dua, which people, you just don't want to miss that group dua, for guidance for the world. But when you talk to the people from Jamaat Tabligh, their philosophy is you must clean up your house before you invite people in. I mean, there are other issues. I'm just talking about this perspective. You must clean up your own house before you invite people into it. So they say, we shouldn't be going out and giving da'wah to non-Muslims. We should focus on Muslims, make them proper Muslims, and then we can invite them in. So the non-Muslims, in spite of their huge numbers, very little da'wah being given to them, to non-Muslims. So they play a role in terms of inviting Muslims back to the masjid, etc. MashaAllah. We have to recognize there's goodness in it there from that perspective. But da'wah, no. So we can't say there are people doing it in an organized fashion around the world. So this is part of the challenges. And it is actually a reflection of the state of the ummah. We are fragmented into different countries with our own individual anthems and flags and nationalism. And this is, of course, a state which the Prophet ﷺ cursed when he said, "Man da'a ila al-asabiyya falaysa minna." People who call to exclusivism, whether it is a group or a clan or a region, a city or a country, etc., this is not from Islam. Islam is about humanity, the ummah, the whole ummah. That's what Hajj is about. That's the message of Hajj. Islam is the world.